Toshi is pumping like crazy, and I'm gonna tell you why. Hey guys, Foxy is Trading here, back with another crypto video today, and we are talking about Toshi. Yes, it's a meme coin that I have been seeing on the rise. I've been seeing it on my Twitter. So I want to talk to you guys about it, whether it's a good buy, look at some things that are happening. We're going to break down market structure at the end of the video. So let's get right into it. I think the recent pump from Toshi, which you'll see when I break down the market structure, is because they have a partnership between Coinbase One and Toshi. All right, it is now live for members, and I think this was a big reason for the pump. But not only this, Toshi is doing good things. All right, so it highlights top meme coin by social engagement in the last 24 hours. Toshi, Test, Mubarak, Broccoli, da 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 da. All right, and as we know, with meme coins, you want community. You want a big, strong community that will back the meme coin because it's going to push price upwards. All right, so that is a good sign. Another good sign, Toshi just became the #2 most traded asset by daily volume. All right, this was in the morning today at September 17th. We have Ethereum followed by Toshi. All right, that is a good look. We love to see that. And it might be our turn. It might be our turn to buy up some Toshi. We'll look at market structure and see if it is the right time to buy, or should we wait, and is this project even worth it? In my eyes, I think it is a very solid meme coin as of right now where price is. I do want to see some more partnerships, some more exchanges, things like that, which will really propel me in the future to get it. As of right now, I am on the fence. I'm kind of 50-50. I might be adding it to my portfolio. Maybe I'll do a small buy, and we'll see how that goes. So Toshi on CoinMarketCap, you can see 44% in the last 7 days. Absolutely pumping. All right, 155 out of 9,000 cryptos. So when you look at the markets, the exchanges it's on, we can see that it is missing some of the big boys. All right, I want to see Kraken. I want to see Binance up here in the top 10. It's not listed on Binance. Once it does, let's hope it does. I think it will definitely have potential to go up even more. Let's look at the website, and then we're going to look at market structure, and then we're going to call it a day, because we are just starting off with Toshi. So we'll see how that goes. So Toshi now on Coinbase, we know that is important. Pretty clean thing. Oh, it is on Kraken. I guess it's just not a lot of volume, so it's not on the top 10. So we can see NFTs. It's doing merch, which I always like to see. It's kind of like Pengu's also doing merch. Let's see how expensive it is, because that's always a make or break. Oh, they even have a plush. That's pretty cool. $71. 58. Yeah, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. I like that then. Yeah, I like that. Merch, art, media. Yeah, that's pretty good. So it's lacking a little bit of sponsorships and a little bit of media presence. But I think once that happens, Toshi can definitely be a buy. Let's have a look at market structure, shall we? So we got Toshi. Let's look at it on the weekly. So right away, we can see it is in an uptrend. You can see that because we have a higher low, followed by a higher high, followed by a higher low, followed by equal highs, maybe even higher highs. It's close. And then followed by another higher low. And we are most likely here going to form another higher high, right? So we can see that the trend is up, right? So what else do I see? I can see that this is a support zone. So closing above that support zone will be very good for us in terms of a bullish structure. We can leave this trend line for you guys so you can see it is going up. What I would like to see is us close above this support zone, ideally, right? And eventually close above this area right here, because we wicked it, but we didn't close above it. Ideally, I want to see it close above it. So in the upcoming time, something like this, eventually close above. We will form another support zone, probably consolidate here in this area, and then it will be time to break out. Now, is this a good moment to buy if you would like? I think it's a decent moment. I think price is going to go down slightly. If I had to guess, we do have this massive imbalance in price forming right over here. And we do have this support zone. I think price could go down slightly somewhere in this area in the middle. That's when I think that's the better purchase. Remember, it's all about patience. And yeah, that's it's a pretty new coin, so there's not much market structure for us to look at. But like I said in the beginning of the video, with more sponsorships and more media presence and more community backing, I definitely think we can see all-time highs. As of right now, let's just see how it goes. As long as the trend continues up and we keep forming higher lows, we are looking bullish. So it looks good for Toshi. I might be adding to it in the future. If I do, I will update you guys. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a fox. Make sure you do your own research. I just want to share my market, my insights, my ideas with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a like, helps me a lot. Subscribe, comment what other cryptos you want me to look at, analyze, and I'll see you in the next one.